नमस्कार बच्चों, वेलकम टू द स्टेट काउंसिल ऑफ एजुकेशनल रिसर्च एंड ट्रेनिंग बिहार पटना. Yes, this is your English class and welcome to the English class for class 8. And what does it mean to have an English class? क्या मतलब है? Yes, English class, हिंदी class means the class full of stories, कहानियों से भरी हुई. These classes immediately take us into the world of stories, यानी कहानियों की दुनिया. So, welcome to the world of stories, and today again I am here with a new story. Now let me ask you a question. Since when do we have this world with us? हम कब से इस दुनिया को अपने साथ लेकर चल रहे हैं? Since when? Now, today or yesterday? Class 6th में आने के बाद? Or after coming into class 7th? No, it is there with us ever since when we were young kids. छोटे छोटे बच्चे थे हम. Our nani used to tell us stories, dadi used to tell us stories, our mother used to tell us stories, and now our mind is full of stories, and we can also tell so many stories with the same moral. एक ही कहानी के साथ, एक ही शिक्षा के साथ. Moral means नैतिक. With the same lesson, we can have so many stories. So, let me give you one story which I hope you must remember. तुमको बिल्कुल याद होगी और वही एक स्टोरी से आज शुरू करते हैं. Let us begin with this story. Do you remember this story of the jackal and a crane? नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? This is a famous story from पंचतंत्र. पंचतंत्र से बहुत famous story है. And what is this story all about? The story is all about how we return the treatment. हम अपना व्यवहार कैसे return करते हैं. So there was a jackal and there was a crane. Jackal means CR. Don't know the spelling? Let's see the spelling. This is J-A-C-K, Jack, A-L, jackal. Jackal and crane, C-R-A-N-E, crane. Yes, jackal means CR. You can see the spelling J-A-C-K, Jack, A-L, jackal, C-R-A-N-E, crane, CR or bagla, jackal and crane. So what happened? Once, एक बार, jackal invited. jackal ने invite किया. Whom? किसको? Definitely crane को. And he served. Served means परोसना. Right? The spelling is S-E-R-V-E, served. Serve means परोसना. So, jackal cooked खीर. Delicious खीर. बहुत ही tasty खीर. And he served the crane. और उसने किसको परोसा? crane को. How? In a big plate. एक बड़ी सी थाली में. Now this is the problem. Yes, jackal invited crane and he served kheer. तो अब तो crane ये कह ही नहीं सकता. He cannot say that no, jackal did not treat me well. उसने मेरा अच्छे से स्वागत नहीं किया. Can crane say this? No, crane cannot say this because there was a tasty kheer in front of him in a big plate. एक plate में थी. But what was the problem with the crane? अब crane यानी बगुले की problem क्या थी? Can you remember बगुला as a bird? उसकी ऐसी होती है ना, इतनी लंबी सी चोंच होती है. Do you remember? And it is just like this. Somehow this is our crane. Am I right? Don't laugh at my drawing. ठीक है? My drawing is not good, but I am simply giving you the idea. कुछ ऐसा ही लगता है ना बगुला? थोड़ा बहुत तो लगता ही है. Just it's okay. So crane had this much beak and there was the thali, there was the plate and there was the kheer. So अब इतनी लंबी चोंच से crane was pecking. P-E-C-K, peck. Remember, P-E-C-K, peck. चिड़िया जब चोंच मारती है, peck, 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 that is peck. और दूसरा वर्ड हम क्या जानते हैं? We know the word pick. P-I-C-K, pick. Pick means उठाना. Yes, if I have kept this pen here and I picked this pen. मैंने क्या किया? इस पेन को उठाया. I picked this pen. So now the crane was pecking. Picking नहीं, pecking. The crane was pecking. वो दाना दाना peck कर रहा था. But he could not eat the kheer. He could not pick the kheer. वो खीर नहीं उठा पा रहा था. Because with each and every peck, एक एक चोंच से एक एक दाना जा रहा था. So can you enjoy kheer while pecking on it? No, you cannot enjoy. So the crane felt very bad. बगुले को बहुत बुरा लगा. Why Jackal did this? Why he served kheer in a plate? So next day, crane cooked kheer. बगुले ने भी खीर बनाई. And what did he do? He served kheer not in the plate. He served kheer in a big pot. एक सुराही में. एक सुराही में. अब ये सुराही कैसी है? It has a long neck. अब इसका फ़ायदा क्या है? Can you observe the picture? Picture देख के बताओ. बिल्कुल. Now the crane can dip its beak. अपनी चोंच को वो उसके अंदर डाल सकता था and he can eat खीर. But can Jackal do the same? Jackal ने when he served the kheer in the plate, he could eat very fast just like a dog. बिल्कुल dog की तरह से उसने खीर खा लिया. लेकिन now he could not eat the kheer. अब वो खीर खा ही नहीं पा रहा था because it was served in a pot. अब घड़े में खीर सर्व की गई थी. So what did crane do? Crane ने उसे कैसा सबक सिखाया? What was the lesson he gave? क्या पाठ पढ़ाया? Tit for tat. याद है? T-I-T, tit, F-O-R, for, T-A-T, tat. Tit for tat. That means जैसे को तैसा. Do you now remember the story? Let's see the next one. So, what did we learn from this story? That yes, if we behave in a bad way or if we behave in a wrong way, the other person will return to us in the same manner. बिल्कुल उसी तरह से वो भी हमें return करेगा. And what do we call it? We call it tit for tat. T-I-T, tit, F-O-R, for, T-A-T, tat. Tit for tat. Very simple, very easy. This is the same meaning of measure, M-E-A-S-U-R-E, measure, for, measure, M-E-A-S-U-R-E. Yes. So, tit for tat means the same, जैसे को तैसा. This is the same meaning of the today's lesson what we have in the form of measure for measure. यानी जितने किलो का बटखरा उतने किलो की चीनी. If I have 1 kg, if you give me 1 kg of sugar, I will give you 1 kg loads of love. बहुत सारा प्यार. And suppose if you gave me 1 kg of chili powder, तुमने अगर मुझे मिर्ची पकड़ाई तो मैं क्या करूँगी? What will I do? Yes, I will return you in the same manner. So measure for measure, that means tit for tat, जैसे को तैसा, बिल्कुल जैसा होता है उसको वैसा ही behavior return किया जाता है. So that's what today's story, just like the crane and the jackal. So let's read the story. I hope you have your book with you. So open your book and open the lesson measure for measure. So I hope you have your book with you. So open lesson number 8 and let's start reading the story. Krishna Dev Raya was known for his patronage of poets. Patronage, we have very interesting word here. Patronage. Patronage means sanrakshan. Right? He is my patron. Patron means Sangrakshak. So Krishna Dev Raya was the patron of many poets of his times. अपने समय के poet. Poet means तो पता है? Yes, जो लोग कविताएं कहते हैं. Those who give us poems, beautiful poems. So कृष्णदेव राया वॉज नोन, वो जाने जाते थे किस बात के लिए? फॉर वॉट? फॉर हिज पेट्रोनेज, संरक्षण देने के लिए। किसका? ऑफ पोएट्स एंड स्कॉलर्स। पोएट्स मीन्स कवि, स्कॉलर्स, स्कॉलर्स मीन्स विद्वान। You want to be a scholar also? Yes, you want to be. So let us write the spelling of scholar. S-C-H-O-L-A-R. Scholar. Scholar means vidwan. So what was Krishnadev Raya famous for? वो किस बात के लिए famous थे? He was famous for giving patronage, for giving संरक्षण, for giving patronage. To whom? किसको? टू स्कॉलर्स, एक विद्वान को नहीं, बहुत सारे विद्वानों को, टू स्कॉलर्स एंड पोएट्स. ही वॉज इक्वली फॉन्ड ऑफ आर्ट्स. नाउ डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड, वी हैव द वर्ड FOND, fond. Fond means शौकीन. This is not the word found. Can you understand the difference? FOUND, found. I found the pen. I found the book. मुझे पेन मिल गई, मुझे बुक मिल गई. This is FOUND, found. But Krishnadev Raya was fond. Fond means शौकीन. Krishnadev Raya was fond of scholars. वो शौकीन थे कला के, आर्ट्स के, नॉलेज के, ज्ञान के. So he used to give patronage to the scholars. He was equally fond of fine arts. कला के शौकीन थे. Once he came to know about a brilliant artist. Once, एक बार. Once he came to know, उन्हें पता चला क्या? About a brilliant artist. एक बहुत ही अच्छे कलाकार के बारे में. Artist. Artist means कलाकार. Yes, you can underline this word and write the meaning कलाकार. He came to know about a brilliant artist named राजा वर्मा. और इस आर्टिस्ट का नाम क्या था? राजा वर्मा. Yes, राजा वर्मा was the greatest artist of his times. Times मतलब समय. अपने समय के बहुत मशहूर कलाकार थे, बहुत अच्छे कलाकार थे. He was a very good artist. And Krishnadev Rai came to know about him. He invited Raja Varma to the court. So who invited Raja Varma to the court? Court मतलब क्या? कोर्ट कचहरी, हाई कोर्ट, सुप्रीम कोर्ट, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट? नो, दिस कोर्ट मीन्स दरबार. राजा के दरबार को भी कोर्ट बोलते हैं. COURT, कोर्ट. कोर्ट मीन्स दरबार. So he invited. Who invited? राजा कृष्णदेव राय invited. Whom? किसको? राजा वर्मा को. राजा कृष्णदेव राय invited राजा वर्मा to his court. अपने दरबार में बुलाया. Why? Because Raja Varma was a great artist and Raja Krishnadev Rai was fond of artist. Was fond of artist. शौकीन थे आर्टिस्ट के. I am fond of painting. I am fond of dancing. मुझे डांस का शौक है, मुझे पेंटिंग का शौक है. Yes, I do have that hobby. मेरा वो शौक है. So let's see. The king was very pleased. अब ये वो वाला please नहीं है. Please stop the lesson. Please, I don't want to study. ये वो वाला please नहीं है. This please is खुश होना. I am very pleased. इसका मतलब क्या? मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. So who is pleased? The king was very pleased. राजा बहुत खुश थे. With the artist. किससे खुश थे? आर्टिस्ट से खुश थे. Who was the artist? राजा वर्मा was the artist. When his portrait was ready. कब खुश हुए? When his portrait. Portrait मतलब तस्वीर. जब सिर्फ एक पर्सन की, किसी एक आदमी की तस्वीर बनती है. You must have seen the portrait of गांधी जी, the portrait of नेहरू जी, the portrait of सुभाष चंद्र बोस जी in your school. अपने स्कूल में देखा है? In the picture only गांधी जी is there. तो हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Portrait. You can underline this word. Raja Krishnadev Rai was happy because His portrait was ready and his portrait was a beautiful portrait. And who made this portrait? किसने ये चित्र बनाया था? राजा वर्मा, the artist had made this portrait. और ये चित्र उनका किसने बनाया था? राजा वर्मा ने बनाया था. राजा राजा दोनों में है, so you don't get confused. The king is राजा कृष्णदेव राय and the artist का नाम क्या है? राजा वर्मा. कृष्णदेव राय, राजा वर्मा. कृष्णदेव राय is the king and राजा वर्मा is the artist. वो कलाकार हैं. So राजा वर्मा painted the portrait and the king was pleased. Pleased मतलब बहुत खुश थे. The portrait, in the portrait, तस्वीर में the majestic and handsome king. Majestic मतलब बहुत भव्य, बिल्कुल तना हुआ, very beautiful and handsome. The king was looking, portrait में king कैसे लग रहे थे? Very majestic, very strong and very handsome. बहुत अच्छे लग रहे थे. Seemed to have come alive within the frame. अब तस्वीर तो बेजान होती है ना? The pictures do not have life. But this picture was so beautiful. लेकिन ये तस्वीर इतनी सुंदर थी that the king was looking like alive. Alive means जिंदा. कहते हैं ना alive. I feel alive. You can underline this word alive. Alive. Alive means जिंदा. So this picture, this portrait was so beautiful that the king looked alive. वो बिल्कुल जिंदा, बिल्कुल इंसान की तरह नजर आ रहे थे. So राजा, who was the king? Raja Krishnadev Rai was very happy. With whom? Raja Varma. Yes. Apart from his portrait, Raja Varma drew images of famous characters. Apart from his portrait. Apart मतलब portrait के अलावा, इसके अलावा राजा वर्मा drew, उन्होंने और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें बनाई. Drew images of famous characters. उन्होंने images बनाए famous characters, बहुत मशहूर characters के, from Purans of men and women. That means from old stories, from men and women, he painted many drawings. उन्होंने बहुत सारी pictures बनाए, बहुत सारी drawings बनाई. He became well known. Well मतलब अच्छे, known मतलब जानते हुए. He became well known. मतलब बहुत से लोगों ने उनको जान लिया. He became famous for his skills. किस बात के लिए? For his skills. कौशल के लिए, अपने हुनर के लिए. अपने हुनर के लिए राजा वर्मा became famous. He became close and dear to the king. Are you close and dear to me? You. Okay, you do not know me, but you are close and dear to your mother. You are close and dear to your friend. आप अपने दोस्त के क्या हो? Close यानी नज़दीक भी हो और dear, dear यानी प्यारे भी हो. कौन सा वाला dear? Do you remember? There are two dears. दो dear हैं. One is D-E-E-R dear and the other is D-E-A-R dear. So dear means कौन सा? D-E-A-R dear. Dear means प्यारा. So you are close and dear to your friend, to your mother, to your father, to your teacher. So Raja Varma also became close and dear to the king. वो राजा के क्या हो गए? Close भी हो गए, नज़दीक भी हो गए और क्या हो गए? बहुत प्यारे हो गए. Dear. Overwhelmed. ध्यान से देखो. Put your finger in the book and just read the word. बड़ा word है, but you need not to be afraid of it. थोड़ा सा ध्यान दो. O-V-E-R. Over ये तो हमें पता ही है. Overwhelmed. 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 You can underline this word and write the meaning. बिल्कुल overwhelmed मतलब खुशी से भरपूर हो जाना, ऊपर ऊपर तक लबालब भर जाना, छलक जाना. कहते हैं ना, द घड़े में पानी भरते हैं and we can say overwhelmed मतलब खुशी से भर जाना, बहुत ज़्यादा भर जाना. So overwhelmed. Overwhelmed by joy. खुशी से भरकर कृष्णदेव राया called the artist, खुशी से भरकर कृष्णदेव राया called the artist, आर्टिस्ट को बुलाया, and asked him what he wanted, and asked him, what do you want, क्या चाहिए तुमको? I am so happy, I can give you anything, मैं तुम्हें सब कुछ दे दूंगा. When Raja Varma did not reply, but Raja Varma was a modest person, he was a simple person, he was a great artist but simple person, बहुत बड़े कलाकार थे but simple आदमी थे. So what did he do? He did not reply. Reply means जवाब देना. उन्होंने जवाब नहीं दिया. The king on the spur of generous impulse. अब बताओ राजा कैसा था? Overwhelmed with joy. खुशी से इतना भर गया था कि छलक रहे थे राजा, खुशी से भरे हुए थे. एंड देन विद जॉय, क्योंकि वो इतने खुश थे, दैट विद अ जेनरस मीन्स उदार, बिल्कुल उदार, कहते हैं ना दिल खोल के, इन अ वेरी जेनरस मैनर, बिल्कुल इम्पल्स में, आवेग में, इन अ जेनरस इम्पल्स. व्हाट डिड ही डू? रिवॉर्डेड हिम विद द चीफ मिनिस्टरशिप. इतनी खुशी में उदार हो गए दैट ही रिवॉर्डेड हिम, की इनाम दे डाला कि चलो फ्रॉम टुडे ऑनवर्ड्स यू विल बी द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ माई स्टेट, तुम मेरे राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री होगे. कोई ऐसा करता है? बट राजा कृष्णदेव राय डिड. राजा कृष्णदेव राय ने किया. क्यों किया? बिकॉज ही वॉज full of joy, overwhelmed with joy, then with the generous heart, एक उदार दिल से उन्होंने राजा वर्मा को मुख्यमंत्री बना दिया. He rewarded राजा वर्मा with the post of chief ministership. What happened? Could राजा वर्मा handle it? क्या राजा वर्मा हैंडल कर पाए? Because he was an artist, he was skillful, वो हुनरमंद थे, he had great skills, but he was not the chief minister, he was not the politician, he was not the diplomat. वो कोई राजनेता तो नहीं थे. Could he handle the state? क्या वो राज्य को संभाल पाए? Let's see what happens in this story. Though Raja Varma, though, you can underline this word, though. Though means यद्यपि. Though Raja Varma was a good man, जबकि राजा वर्मा he was a good man, अच्छे आदमी थे, and a brilliant artist, वही बात, the thing which we were discussing right now, brilliant artist, बहुत अच्छे कलाकार थे. He had no experience whatsoever of administration. You can break this word, administration. Can I write this word? Administration. You can read with me. Administration. Administration. He had no experience. Experience means अनुभव. He had no experience of whatsoever, जो भी होता है, he had no experience of administration. प्रशासन का तो कोई अनुभव नहीं था. What happened? Soon everything was thrown into disorder. Soon, बहुत जल्दी, everything, सब कुछ, thrown, फेंक गया, चला गया, किस में? Order और disorder. Order में चीज़ें आ गई या disorder हो गई? Yes, everything was thrown into disorder. The order was lost. व्यवस्था खत्म हो गई. Everything became disordered. सब कुछ disorder में चला गया. Because of his hasty decisions and bad management of the state affairs. Because of what? Hasty. H-A-S-T-Y. Hasty. Hasty means जल्दबाजी. Raja Varma used to take decisions in hastiness. In जल्दबाजी, जल्दबाजी में डिसीजन लेते थे. तो क्या हो जाता था? Hasty decisions, wrong decisions. जल्दबाजी में लिया हुआ डिसीजन, गलत डिसीजन. So how can we say? Hasty decision, wrong decision. Hasty decision, wrong decision. So, because of his hasty decisions and bad management of the state affairs and bad management, poor management of the state affairs. State means Rajya. राज के कामकाज की व्यवस्था खराब हुई, everything became disordered and राजा वर्मा used to take hasty decisions. जल्दबाजी के डिसीजन ले लेते थे. Though people were unhappy, अब क्या हुआ? जब राज्य का डिसीजन गलत होगा, when state will take wrong decisions, who will get affected? किस पर असर पड़ेगा? People, us, प्रजा पर असर पड़ेगा. So people of the state were unhappy. Happy or unhappy? They were unhappy. वो बिल्कुल खुश नहीं थे about his administration. इस administration से वो बिल्कुल खुश नहीं थे. Administration was poor. So they did not dare to complain. But खुश तो नहीं थे. They were unhappy, but they did not dare. Dare कहते हैं ना, हिम्मत दिखाना. राजा से शिकायत करनी है, मजाक थोड़े है. Who can complain to the king? राजा से उसकी शिकायत कैसे करोगे? Can you complain to the king for his decisions? कि आपने राजा वर्मा को चीफ मिनिस्टर क्यों बना दिया? He has no experience. राजा क्या बोलेगा? How dare you? कैसे हिम्मत हुई? How can you question my decisions? मेरे डिसीजन को कैसे क्वेश्चन किया? You cannot question my decision. So people were afraid. They did not dare. उनकी हिम्मत नहीं थी to complain the king about his decision that Raja Varma was not a good administrator. राजा वर्मा अच्छे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर नहीं थे. He was taking hasty decisions and hasty decisions were poor decisions, wrong decisions. वो इस बात की शिकायत राजा कृष्णदेव राय से नहीं कर पा रहे थे. They could not complain to him. What happened? Did this continue in the same way? क्या ये ऐसे ही चलता रहा? Or something else happened? Who made king realize his mistake? राजा को अपनी गलती का एहसास कैसे हुआ? Who made? किसने कराया? Who made king realize his mistake? That's the fun of the story that we will see in the next part. Thank you.